Hey YouTube, Mike here from MB Music. Today I'm doing part 1 of a 2-part mini-series. How to make a music video for beginners. Part 1 will be the audio portion, part 2 will be the video portion. Before we get started, you will need to have 5 essential tools. Number 1, some type of a programmable drum machine. Mine is a Dr. Rhythm 880. Number 2, a multi-track recorder. Mine is probably a little bit more than what you really need, but it works well for me. Number 3, a set of power monitor speakers. Number 4, a microphone. And number 5, a decent set of headphones. Okay, now that we have all our tools together, let's get started. Okay, we're going to keep this song just as simple as possible, so it's not confusing anybody. Simple 4/4 time drum beat. There's our kick and snare. Okay, now we'll add in a little bit of hi-hat. I'm doing all this in real-time record, by the way. Okay, and there we have our drum beat. Let's speed up the tempo a little bit to 120. And save. Call this song Neighborhood. Got our track 1 armed and ready to record. Okay, we're recording this direct, straight from the drum machine to the recorder. So it doesn't matter if we're talking or not, it's going to go straight into it. Anytime that you're recording something with any kind of multi-track recorder, any kind of audio track, you want the peak lights to go up into the red, but not too high to where they clip. Clip will give you nothing but distortion. Record, play, drums. Watch the meter over here on the left. You can see it's clipping up into the red, but not up to 0 where it's going to clip so bad that it'll distort. I'm only going to record about a 1-minute song. And that's it for the drums. Okay, now we got track 2 armed. We're going to do a little bit of rhythm guitar. Record and play. guitar. Okay, we got track 3 on. We're going to add in a little bit of bass guitar now. Record and play. There's track 3. Okay, main vocal track. Okay, if you can see all the little yellow markers, they're waypoint markers, so you know where you're at in the song. And the red line is where the punch in and out automatic record will start. Okay, I hope you can see. Track 1 is the main drums. Track 2 is rhythm guitar. Track 3 is bass. Track 4 is lead guitar. Track 5 is the main vocals. Track 6 is harmony vocals. And you could go on and on if you wanted to, but that's going to be about it for this song. Okay, this is where we're going to do a quick overview on mixing down. First we'll go into the drums, turn on some dynamics. This is the area where you might have to do it manually if you have a different machine. But on mine, this is where you can go on, you can change the treble up, take it down, add more bass, take the mids out, whatever you want. Right now we'll just turn some of the dynamics on and set the volumes. Okay everybody, last but not least, when you're recording with a live microphone, whether it be vocal tracks or acoustic guitar, never use your power monitors, always only the headphones. You definitely do not want instruments recorded on your vocal tracks. The whole purpose to recording separate tracks is so you can EQ everything separately. Okay everybody, thanks for watching. We'll see you next week for part 2.